everybody. It's not to say they didn't work. It's that they don't work for everybody. And so I had some personal experience with psychedelic medicine that truly changed my life. And one of the things that I thought to myself, and Richard and I and Dr. Radowitz talked about, was how do we offer a psychedelic program in the middle of Manhattan, which in itself is a little bit crazy, done in a medically supervised manner with preparation, integration, and a real investment and focus on set, which is the mindset going in and the setting in which you do it. And we're humbled by the fact that 5 years in, we now have 3 clinics. We've done about 22,000 treatments. People come to Nushama for IV ketamine, which is a full-blown psychedelic experience. It is a cash pay, it's not covered by insurance. Or they'll do Spravato, which is indicated only for treatment-resistant depression or a major depressive disorder with suicidal ideation. And it's covered by insurance. So one of the things that we've always talked about at Nushama is providing access for people. Behavioral health is notoriously very, very expensive. And access is a big thing for us, and that's why we're excited to talk about this. And what's very, very exciting is not only what we're doing now with Spravato and ketamine, but I'm sure you've all heard the news that things like psilocybin and LSD and 5-MeO-DMT and many other molecules are coming down the pipeline, and they're coming quickly. And so I would imagine in a year, 2 years, but definitely in 5 years, clinics like Nushama will have a lot of tools available to us to help people kind of break down those walls. It gives you guys a tool to work with your clients and break down the barriers. I know this because I was a patient in therapy for 3 years. And as I've told a few of you when I met you earlier, I was a terrible client. And I was a terrible client because I said whatever I thought made me look good to the therapist. But as soon as I worked with these types of ego-dissolving agents in a supervised manner, the whole floodgate of bliss and joy and connection opened up for me. And it's opened up for thousands of people who have come here. So thank you for coming. I do want to introduce my team. This is Richard Meloff, my co-founder. Anybody you see with a pink name tag, please. You already know our dear friend Lola. Lola's one of our incredible integrators.